In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 functional fitness lies that are keeping you weak. Myth number 1, functional training is just for athletes. Nope, that is a total myth. Functional training is for everybody, guys. It does not matter if you're brand new to working out or if you've been training for years. You do not need to be doing backflips or CrossFit Games level stuff. Just focus on basic movements like squats, lunges, pushes, and pulls. Those are functional exercises that can be scaled to fit anywhere you at in your fitness journey. Myth number 2, more is better. I get it, trust me. People think if you're not drenched in sweat or crawling out the gym, they didn't train hard enough. But functional training is not about crushing yourself every day. Overtraining is real, and it can lead to burnout, injury, or just feeling wrecked all the time. Myth number 3, you need fancy equipment. Once again, this is wrong. Some of the best functional workouts are body weights only. Think about push-ups, air squats, step-ups, carries, even stuff like crawling or balancing on one foot. If you got a backpack, that works, man. Fill it in with books or whatever weight you got around the house, and you can literally train in your living room, garage, or outside in the park. I'm telling you, man, that's the top 3, bro. Functional training isn't some elite thing. It's for regular people like me and you who want to feel stronger, move better, and stay injury-free until our 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond, man. Don't fall for the hype. Keep it simple and make functional fitness yours. And if you want more workouts like you see me doing in the background, or just want to get strong without overthinking everything, all you have to do is just like, subscribe, leave a comment. I answer all my comments personally, not no AI or bot or whatever. And yeah, if you have any questions, man, please feel free to ask. If you want to see any future videos, please feel free to let me know, and I will get right to it. See you in the next video.